Following the revisions of the animal protection law, many local governments have set a goal of zero cullings. As a result, the number of dogs and cats slaughtered has decreased significantly. However, this reduction in slaughter is due to the effort of domestic animal protection groups, and there are many problems with animal protection in Japan. It is no exaggeration to say that Japan's animal protection is far behind that of overseas. Also, the number of slaughtered dogs has decreased by about 24 million in the last 10 years. The current situation is that nearly 4 million dogs and cats are still killed annually. Produced by malicious cat breeders, and according to the Japan Times, unsold puppies and kittens are brought to the government and slaughtered. In addition, breeders value profit over animals' lives. There is no reason to stop overproduction of pets. How can we change this dire situation?
The number of killing dogs and cats per year caused by irresponsible human behavior is about 38,844 in 2018. In comparison, Germany is zero according to Japan NPO Animal Protecting Group website. We were shocked by the fact that innocent animal is treated this way. I thought we should stop this situation as fast as we can. Also, the big difference between Germany is that there are no shops that sells living dogs and cats. This is not because they are prohibited by law, since if they try to set up facilities and breeding systems that comply with animal welfare, businesses like pet stores will not be able to survive. They sell other than dogs and cats or sell merchandise. In Sweden, there is a lot of emphasis on breeding, and rules are set in place. Hereditary diseases is prohibited. These are probably the reasons why more pets are kept and not be killed. When we found out this fact, we deeply agree with this opinion. There are differences between adopting and buying pets. For example, the dogs that are often puppies and their disease may not be known. On the other hand, many of the dogs that are kept and bred, so their personality may be known and their disease may be predictable. This is the reason why we care about this issue, because we didn't know that there are many dogs and cats that die undesirably while we do our daily activities. Since we are all animal lovers, we don't want animals to be in pain as much as we can.
As a response to our issue, we decided to make a poster and raise awareness by showing the documentary. Through the poster, we want the hardest student to know the meaning of euthanizing stray animals, how dogs are treated in shelters, and how many dogs are killed in 1 year. We think that by showing the documentary and our poster, the audience will respond to the issue. Because we can solve this problem by ourselves, we want the people to help and be well informed. Not just the hardest students, but the whole world should be aware and respond to this issue. This issue has been calling the innocent animals who are just abandoned by their owners. And by looking at our documentary, we want the audience to be aware of the issue. According to my survey, where I showed the poster to my classmates and got some responses, many of my classmates weren't aware of this issue. Most of them stated that they didn't know how many dogs were executed in a year for no reason. But they said that from looking at my poster, they felt sad, guilty, shocked, and surprised. And lots of people say that they learn new things and wish to learn more about the process. Our goal is to make the audience notice this matter and make a move to improve. So I thought this was a very big step for us to improve this issue.
38,444. Do you know what this number stands for?
This shows the number of the dogs and cats that got culled in 2018 in Japan. When you combine it in one day, on average about 105 dogs and cats got culled in one day. But still, there are two things that we can do to protect these animals. Participate in volunteer activities or donate to the facility. Therefore, volunteering an animal organization can help reduce the culling. For volunteers, there is an organization called Dog Therapy Japan, which is protected by NPO. This organization mainly goes around the health center to save an innocent dogs. Now let's talk about the donation. It's the easiest way for people who don't have the time. Yahoo Japan is supporting an animal organization since 2006. The overview of this project is, by using money that was donated, they are working to find new owners of dogs and cats. At the moment, 498 million people donated about 187 million yen in this organization. This organization is reliable because they update their activities on their homepage. If you log into Yahoo Japan site and hit the donation button, you can easily donate, save your dog's lives. Like this, there are various ways to protect animals indirectly instead of owning pets that is too much to handle. Please keep this problem in your mind. Your one action may save dogs and cats' lives.